Say hello to the camera.
Hello. Hi.
You're going to be on YouTube.
Me?
Yeah.
It's really useful when you're around a.
I'm filming. I'm filming.
Hi. I'm Jack.
Oh shit, yeah.
And,
Show your armpit.
my armpit.
Close up on that.
It smells.
It smells.
Oh.
I got shot in the ass a lot too.
I don't know if you want
Alex
to put that
is excited to play Airsoft.
Very excited. I'm sorry. Touch my. What is wrong with you?
He just touched his wiener.
Don't hit me.
Alright! Hold your fire!
I'm holding it. Don't touch my
All
dick
bands
again.
on this side! No bands on that side! If you do not have a team, stand by the outhouse.
My favorite domination.
Dude, lights out.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, on YouTube.
My glove.
See, this is why.
This is probably really not safe.
All bands down!
Oh, I thought you were about to.
That's karma.
What do you do if I just like shot the camera?
What's up, Ray?
I would tell you to give me $300.
I thought people pulled their
Well, you don't have a real gun, you just got that gun.
Yeah, this is all.
At my camera? Yes.
What? Before you won that, what were you
The
using?
exact same gun, only it hits.
I just
Well,
feel
it
like this under the arm.
Look at Eric. He looks like a Stunod.
How'd you win it, Rafa?
Yeah, alright, whatever.
That's Aldo. That's Fahad. That's Nick. I call him Jake.
Like, what's your
He's Jake Venska.
Put the stock all the way
They look
forward.
alike.
You can just hold it like this.
Say goodbye, camera.
No! I got my face.